Dear friends of computer community, welcome back to Vikajan Circuit Computer Classes. In this particular module, we shall be discussing different type of browsers, including artificial intelligence based browsers. Friends, the main component of a web browser are user interface UI, having an address bar which is mostly on top, then back or forward buttons, then tabs, then bookmark menu. Second part is browser engine that connects the UI user interface and rendering engine, manages actions between components. Now rendering engine displays web pages mostly in HTML and CSS format. Examples are Blink, WebKit, Gecko, JavaScript engines, executes JavaScript code on websites. Examples V8 in Chrome, SpiderMonkey in Firefox. Fifth component is networking. This handles internet communication on HTTP or HTTPS request. Second, downloads web resources. Friends, it's only 5 to 10 years ago we were using Internet Explorer, which was stopped, and now it has been taken over by Google Chrome, which occupies about 70% or more than 70% browser business. It is developed by Google. It is very fast, widely compatible, and very popular. Huge extension library is available via Chrome Web Store. Fourth, synchronizes across devices with a Google account. Second popular is Mozilla's Firefox. Friends, when I was delivering lecture in Amati, uh, the question paper etc. were set through Mozilla Firefox. It is made by Mozilla Foundation, strong focus on privacy and open source principles, highly customizable with add-ons, good performance and security. The third is Safari by Apple Corporation, developed by Apple Corporation. It is the default browser on iPhones, iPad, and Mac computers, desktops, optimized for Apple device, that is battery efficiency. Then fourth, strong privacy feature like intelligent tracking prevention. France, Russia and China use many international browsers, but they have strong domestic browsers that are popular because of language support, local service and government ecosystems, and regulations. Popular browsers in Russia are Yandex browser, developed by a company known as Yandex. Most popular local browser in Russia, based on Chromium, integrated with Yandex search, map, having maps, translate, mails, services, etc. Includes security features like DNS protection. Friends, popular browsers in China. The one is WQ browser, developed by Tencent, integrated with QQ and Web WeChat ecosystems. Second, UC browser, owned by Alibaba Group. Alibaba Group had very wide range of merchandise which they can deliver even in India. Very popular on mobile devices, known for data compression and speed. Third is 360 secure web browser, developed by QHO 360, focus on security and antivirus integration. Fourth is Sogo Explorer, known for Chinese language input and search integration. Dear friends, let us talk about what is happening in India in case of browsers. So, here are some notable Indian made or India developed web browsers. First one, Epic Privacy Browser, developed by Hidden Reflex in India, focuses heavily on privacy and anti-tracking. Once again, built on Chromium. The official site is Epic Privacy Browser. The second is GeoPages, developed by Reliance Jio, two available for Android, TV, and other platforms. Three includes regional language support and India-focused content. Fourth, official site is GeoPages. Then Bharat browser, the third one. It is Android browser aimed at Indian regional language users. It is lightweight and localized. Fourth is Tata Neo browser, not a standalone major browser yet, but browser-like in application in-app ecosystem features from the Tata Group. The fifth is Indus browser. This is designed for Indian language internet users. Second, supports multiple Indian languages. So good amount of efforts have been put in by Indian company, but अभी maturity is not available. Although some of the browsers already discussed are artificial intelligence based, but AI browsers, often called agentic browsers are becoming a real category now. Instead of just loading web pages, they embed an AI assistant directly into the browser so it can summarize pages, answer questions about tabs, compare projects, or research automatically. Fourth, draft emails and docs document facility available. The form filling is available. They automate multi-step tasks. Also, browse, browse conversationally. Find me the cheapest flight plus summarize review. Okay, thanks for constantly and peacefully watching the presentation. Thanks once again from Computer Guru VKGL, that is me. I have already written more than 130 books that probably covers the entire computer arena, all subjects starting from the very first Indian book, Computer for Regular, till today on machine learning, artificial intelligence, and this type of deep subject I have already written them.